we're developing products for precast facilities and construction sites, how do you balance the difference between their technical requirements and use cases?
Well, this one, immediately what comes to mind is battery life. So we just
Mhm.
talked about how a precast facility is more interested in early strength, right? So they're probably not going to have our product monitoring strength for 28 days, or if they are, maybe they'll plug it in later and get some data points later. So battery life may not be as important because if they only want to know the first 12, 18 hours like that before they can remove their foam mark, the importance of battery life there is not critical to them, whereas it might be for some of the other um, 28-day strength jobs and certifications that we were talking about.
Mhm.
So it's important to consider both. And I think, we've talked about with some customers, we're experimenting with looking at some battery life extenders that we're really excited to get out in the field. So that's going to touch more on the requirements for horizontal construction sites, whereas that's not really going to be a requirement for a precast place. So I just think it's important that as we develop firmware, software, dashboard type of features, it's important to consider both of those. Um, we can't just design for one or the other.